making today tinapay with cheese and sugar.
Oh, my God. Okay, so let's check it later pa.
Ito yung mangyari, magkaroon ng consumer representation sa ating party. Kapag hindi ba ninyo, hindi yung sapat kung meron magkagada lang na parang public consultation bago po mag-implement ng kanilang politika o magbabanan.
And another girl appears, and she gets close to him. I'll curl her yellow and brush her head.
Oo.
Mainit.
Init siya.
Yun na.
Yung ilaw naman tayo.
Buksan mo. Dali, kunin mo na yan. Pwede na yan.